Welcome to Mini Miracles, Flags and Phonics. This is a part 14 of our Asia Flags and Facts. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. I do educational videos on phonics, both English and Tamil, and also do flags and facts, hands-on activities for kids. So today in our part 14 video, we are going to see the three flags, Syria, Taiwan and Tajikistan. So the first flag is Syria. So the three colors, red, white and black, represents three dynasties. And then the two stars, green stars, one represents Egypt and then another represents Syria. Okay. And the capital of Syria is Damascus. So how we are going to remember is in Tamil for Syria, Siri. So Siri means laughing. So why you laugh, you hear a joke. So for joke in Tamil we say Damas. Okay. So Syria, Damascus. Like that you can remember. Then the national animal of Syria is Syrian brown bear. So on seeing this brown bear you laugh. Okay. You smile, you are happy. So that is Syrian brown bear. Okay. So Syrian brown bear. And then the national bird of this country is northern bald ibis. So this bird, you just think it laughs too much and all the hair falls by laughing. Okay. So northern bald ibis is the name of this bird. Okay. So the next flag is Taiwan. So Taiwan, this is same like the China flag, but it is an independent country and it has come from China. Okay, the ancestors have come from China. So the red denotes the earth and then the blue sky and then this is the sun. So sun represents 24 rays, that is the 24 months of the year. Okay. So Taiwan, Taipei is the capital. So how we are going to remember is, so Taiwan is Taiwan. Okay. So in the van, the driver is carrying a bag. So bag in Tamil it is pai. Okay. So Taipei, Taiwan. Okay, like that you can remember. And then the national animal is white-throated bear. Okay, so this, if you can see the bear, it is very, see the design itself, the skin color is white color like a necklace below its neck. Okay, so below its throat. Okay, so it is called as white-throated bear. Okay, so like that. So you can remember this national animal is white-throated bear. So this here the sun is also in white color. So this bear also has a white color skin in the form of a necklace. Okay, on its throat. Then the national bird is Taiwan blue magpie. Okay, so see when the bird is in the flying form, actually the feathers has blue and white, just like the flag with the sun. Okay, the sun rays on the blue sky is blue, white, and then see the rays also. So it is just resembling the flag colors. Okay, so it is easy to remember Taiwan blue magpie. And then the next flag is Tajikistan. So Tajikistan, see, you can see the red color is for victory or triumph, and then the white is for purity, peace, or the snowy mountains. Okay, and then the green is for agriculture, Islam, and agriculture is mainly the wheat products. Okay, and then the center you can see there is a crown surrounded by 7 stars. So the crown represents people and then the 7 stars represent the 7 mountains. That is heaven surrounded by 7 mountains, and on each mountain there is a shining star. So that is the belief of the people of Tajikistan. Okay, so the capital of Tajikistan is Dushanbe. So how we are going to remember is, so Dash means dash. See there is a stripe here below that crown. So that's just you remember that it is dash or dash. Okay, so dash and B. Okay, so like the stars are like actually the bees surrounding this crown. Okay, so dash and B. Like that you remember the capital of Tajikistan. And the national animal is Marco Polo mountain sheep. So there is a very interesting story about this animal. So Marco Polo is an Italian traveler who came to this country and first he saw on the mountains this sheep. Okay, so it is called as Marco Polo mountain sheep. It is otherwise called as Pamir Argali. So Pamir means mountains and Argali is sheep. Okay, so there are two names, Marco Polo mountain sheep or Pamir Argali. Okay, and the national bird is Saker falcon. So just remember that on the mountain this sheep has a friend called Saker falcon. Okay, so that's all about the flag and facts of these three countries. So let's go on to the picture hints. So picture hints, the first picture is, you can see a Thai and a van. So like that you can remember. So it is Taiwan. Okay, so this is Taiwan, and then see a person is laughing and then showing a reaction of ah. So in Tamil, as I told you, Syria. Okay, Syria. So this is Syria flag, and then this is Taj and Kistan. Okay, so this for Taj we are going to tell us pronounce it as Taj. So Tajikistan. Okay, so we'll place a flag of Tajikistan. So that's all about the picture hints. So today our hands-on activity is a very interesting one, the ice cream with many color scoops of ice creams. Okay, so this is the finished one. So what you can do is you can give the child these cutouts. Okay, I just taken a printout of one ice cream scoop and just drawn an outline on 3 different color papers. Okay, and see, you can make the child to arrange in the order of capital. So this is a country. You can also, if you have stickers, flag stickers, you can even make the child stick the flag here. Okay, so flag, this is Taiwan, and then the currency. Okay, so currency, so this is the capital. Okay, so country, capital, and then what else? It is the next one is the currency. Okay, so the currency, and then the language is Mandarin Chinese, and then the animal we saw, it was white-throated bear, and then the bird is blue magpie, and then the sports is football. Okay, so like this the child will arrange for all the 3 flags, the facts, flag facts in a very interesting way. Okay, so this you can also reuse it again, give them whenever they are getting bored. When you want them to revise flags and facts, you can just okay, mix all these scoops colors. Okay, and then these papers you can mix them and give it to them and they will arrange it. So this is a very interesting way for them to learn the flags and facts. So I hope you like this video. If you like, please share and subscribe. Thank you.